Hello everyone, welcome back to oh my goodness. Welcome back to another video. Today we're getting some very strong winds from the outer bands of a severe thunderstorm here in Frisco. Oh my gosh, look at this, look at the wind. Look at that. Okay, let's go out to the road. Dude, I can literally hear the live oaks. Oh my gosh, dude. Now these are definitely some gusty winds. Look at that. That is a severe thunderstorm right there. And we're getting the outer bands with, these have to be like 35-mile-an-hour winds right now. We are definitely probably getting the outer bands right now. The outer winds. Oh my gosh, dude. Yep. It's coming in. It's coming in. Here, let's see if we can hear the live oaks. Sorry if I'm like over exaggerating. It's because these winds are actually pretty strong. And they just appeared out of nowhere too. I was just chilling in the backyard and then the Bradford Pear just went like, whoosh, like that. So fast. It's crazy. Yeah, these are definitely gusty winds right here. Whoa. Yeah, that lightning is crazy. Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can go hear the cypress swish. Let's see if we can get a loud one. Bro, these gusts are just sudden. They're literally like sudden gusts. I could barely hear it swishing though. The cypress. Sorry, my camera was a little foggy. I do apologize. Yeah, look at the lightning. Holy cow. Yeah, look at that lightning. Holy cow. Dude, everything just stopped. That is so weird. Sometimes the winds will just stop and just start going again. Yeah, the lightning is crazy. There goes the wind over there. Yeah, everything just stopped. I'm gonna give it another few minutes to see if there's any more gusts. I'm just gonna give it like a minute or so. We'll watch the lightning here while we wait. We'll watch the lightning. Okay, I think they're back now. I think the winds are back. Let me double check. Yeah, the winds are definitely blowing right now, but they weren't as strong as earlier. Yeah, everything just died for some reason. This was probably the shortest outer band windstorm I've ever experienced. That was literally the shortest one ever. It lasted like 4 minutes. That was so short. You can see some lightning behind me. Come on, wind. Come on, give me something good. Look at that. Yeah, everything just stopped. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video now. I'm sorry this was a short one and I didn't go to the back. I really hope you guys did enjoy. If the winds do pick up again, I will be sure to film that again as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and right as I stop the video, I say that, and then right as I stop the video, the winds pick up again. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and see y'all later.